Mutji, who grew up in Omatako and completed his primary school there, says his wins represent a call for change. He says he aims to inspire youth in particular and Tsumkwe constituents to work together and bring development to the constituency.
Yes, the message the community probably sent through is I think it's change. You understand? We need to opt for change. It has been high time that people's voices need to be heard. In terms of engagement, in terms of development. You understand? So people were crying. You understand? For change, and they were crying for upliftment. They were crying for development.
He vows to tackle the issue of poor roads, limited water supply, lack of electricity, poor network, unemployment, and facilitate improvement of school infrastructure.
Service delivery gap in Tsumkwe. We have poor infrastructure in Tsumkwe. We have, as I stated earlier, economic development limitations in Tsumkwe. We've got social concerns in Tsumkwe and governance and participation, you understand? So if you look at Tsumkwe at large, the service delivery, especially basic health delivery, we've got a network that is limited in most of the areas. If you look at Grashoek, in Kanuflei, if you look at most of these Nyanyai areas that are not covered with network services, we've got electrification that doesn't cover most of our areas. That now starting Grashoek, we've got Omatako, where we have a functional traditional authority, and we still do not have electricity there. We've got Kanuflei, we've got other areas like Asfolnes and Noma, and these are tourism hubs, you understand, especially Grashoek, Asfolnes, Noma, and all these Nyanyai areas. These are tourism attractions.
He extended on his long-term vision for the constituency.
For the constituency to be a thriving and resilient constituency whereby our cultural heritage is uplifted and safeguarded. The youth are engaged in economic, development. The elders are, catered for, women empowerment, you understand. And then we've got our gravel road that you see that has been on stall for quite a long time, you understand, which make it nearly impossible, especially in the rainy season, for people to travel, and this cuts off market demands in Tsumkwe.
He plans to facilitate the construction of a shopping center to Tsumkwe to cap long distances residents have to travel to get basic goods. Mutji says he will work closely with the traditional authorities to assist in tackling developmental challenges. Hiskia Filimino, NPC News, Tsumkwe.